Hey there, it's Dan, your narrator. I will take you on a journey through the cosmos and will talk about the universe and its mind-blowing facts. Hold on tight because much information shared is just not comprehensible. Let's start. For as long as we've looked at the stars, we've wondered, are we alone? Every generation has asked it. Every telescope has searched for an answer. But what if the question itself already contains the answer? Look up. Every dot of light you see is a star. But beyond what your eyes can see, in the observable universe, there are roughly 2 trillion galaxies. Each galaxy holds around 100 billion stars. Multiply those numbers, 2 trillion times 100 billion. That's a number with 23 zeros. Roughly 200 sextillion stars just in the part of the universe we can observe. That's a 2 followed by 23 zeros. And let's also consider a multi-universe, or an infinite universe, because we don't know and never shall know what is beyond the observable universe. Then sextillion becomes septillion, and if we multiply this with multiple septillion, the number will be infinite though assumable. Consider now a 2, followed not by 23, but by 100,000 or even a septillion zeros. It seems likely and is just mind-blowing. Think of it and let it sink in. If even a small fraction have planets like Earth, the odds against life existing elsewhere collapse. Statistically, life must be out there. Thus, what are the odds of life? Life, as far as we know, needs water, carbon, and time. But the universe doesn't deal in scarcity. It deals in abundance. Everywhere we look, we find the ingredients of life. Amino acids in meteorites, organic clouds between stars, even oceans beneath the ice of distant moons. The cosmos is not empty, it's fertile. If even 1 in a billion of those stars has a world like Earth, that's billions of possible homes for life. Statistically, life must have found a way somewhere else, maybe thriving under alien suns, or deep beneath ice-covered oceans. And what we can see, our so-called observable universe, may be just a bubble, and is only a fraction of what exists. Beyond the cosmic horizon lie galaxies whose light will never reach us. Perhaps beyond it lies infinitely. For all we know, there could be hundreds, or thousands of times more stars beyond our reach. If that's true, then there aren't just 200 sextillion stars. There may be trillions of times more, far beyond any telescope's reach. So, why haven't we heard from anyone? The universe is 13.8 billion years old. Civilizations could have risen and vanished long before Earth even formed. Space is vast, and signals fade. Maybe we're just late to the conversation, or too primitive to understand the language. Life may not always look like us. It might breathe methane instead of oxygen. It could thrive under frozen seas, or exist as energy patterns in plasma storms, or exist as digital consciousness within plasma clouds. Maybe it's not biological at all. Maybe consciousness itself can emerge from matter in ways we can't yet imagine. We don't have to recognize it to know it's possible. Somewhere, perhaps a being may be asking the same question we are. Are we alone? And that shared curiosity, that yearning to know, might be the only universal language and the truest sign that the universe itself is alive. Across galaxies, across time, consciousness gazes back at itself. Most likely we may never know the answer for certain, but the universe doesn't need our permission to create, whether we're one of many or utterly unique. The fact that we can ask the question at all means that the universe has, in some way, become aware of itself. Maybe that's what it's all about. This is the cosmos and beyond, where we explore the unseen universe, one question at a time. Let me know in the comments what you think. I appreciate your like and subscribe, and join me on the journey further. Warmest regards, Dan.